protecting your car from rodent damage, my affordable and effective solution. Today, I want to share a personal story with you about a frustrating issue I faced with rodent damage and how I found an innovative, affordable, and effective solution to protect my car. Let's jump right in. As you can see here, rodents caused significant damage to my car's wiring system, resulting in costly repairs amounting to 80,000 rupees. It was a frustrating experience that left me determined to find a way to prevent those pesky critters from wreaking havoc on my car again. After some brainstorming, I discovered a solution that has proven to be effective in safeguarding my car's wires, electric plugs, and engine component. I use stainless steel metal mesh to protect the vulnerable areas. Here's how you can do it too. First, cut the metal mesh into small strips and wrap them with electrical tape for added insulation and protection against heat. To further deter rodents from returning and eliminate any lingering odors, I used a combination of naphthalene balls and tobacco wrapped in cotton cloth, placed strategically near the car engine. Now, carefully wrap the metal strips around the car wires, securing them in place with cable ties. For a neat finish, you can place wire organizer hollow flexible pipes on top of the metal strips. Keep in mind that covering the entire engine might not be possible, but focus on areas where rodents tend to sit and chew. This method has worked for me for many years now. On top of that, I sprayed 3M rodent spray to reinforce the deterrent effect. It has been a month since I implemented this solution, and guess what? My car has been rodent-free. Not only that, but I haven't encountered any heat issues or observed any negative effects on the car's electrical system. To put my solution to the test, I drove my car for a whopping 250 kilometers, monitoring the performance closely. I am thrilled to report that I experienced no heat issues or adverse effects on the car's functionality, confirming the effectiveness of my metal mesh strips. Using metal mesh strips wrapped with electric glue tape has been a game changer for me. It not only provides a physical barrier against rodent damage, but also offers peace of mind, knowing that my car's wiring, electric components, and engine plugs are now well protected. When you compare the cost of this solution to the 80,000 rupees I had to spend on repairs, the value becomes evident. Not only is it a fraction of the cost, but it also provides long-term protection, potentially saving you thousands in repair bills. Another fantastic aspect of this solution is its accessibility. The materials required, such as metal mesh, electric tape, and cable tags, can be easily found at hardware stores or online. Plus, the installation process is straightforward and can be done by any car owner, regardless of their technical expertise. After successfully resolving my rodent issue and experiencing the affordability and effectiveness of this solution firsthand, I couldn't keep it to myself. I wanted to help other car owners facing similar challenges. That's why I decided to share my experience and spread the word about this cost-effective and reliable solution. So, there you have it, my personal journey of dealing with rodent damage and finding an innovative, affordable, and effective solution that has saved me from further headaches and expenses. If you're facing a similar issue, I highly recommend trying out metal mesh strips wrapped with electric glue tape. It's an affordable investment that can potentially save you thousands in repairs. Be sure to share your experience in the comments below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful car tips. Stay protected, save money, and keep enjoying the ride. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and fellow car owners. Together, we can help everyone protect their vehicles without spending a fortune. Stay tuned for more practical car-related content, and until next time, drive smart and rodent-free.